Have you ever noticed pain in your knee while trying to sit up from a chair or a couch? Well, if you had, you're not alone. You may be sitting for prolonged periods of time, and then once you get up, you feel that twinge in your knee or that achiness throughout the joint. First thing we need to do is test the motion. I'd like you to stand up. And when you stand up, notice, where does it hurt in your knee? And how intense is it? And is it aching, pinching, burning? How does it feel? What I've noticed with many of my patients is that the knee doesn't get enough support from the surrounding muscles. So let's fix that right now. First exercise we want to do is simple but effective. It's called the long arc quad. You want to sit up straight. You want to straighten your leg out and come back down. And you're going slow enough so that you can really feel the muscles at work. Notice how I'm strengthening the quadricep and I'm locking my knee out, pulling my toes towards me as I come up. Perform this for 3 sets of 10. And of course, do the other side because we don't want to have this knee hurting as well. Once you've performed that, we want to move on to the next exercise, which is a simple sit to stand. Now what you want to do is you want to scoot forward in your chair or couch, get your feet shoulder width apart, and then lean forward and stand up. Bring your nose over your toes and sit back down. This is teaching your body the correct form. And by having the correct form, you're going to reduce the stressors in your knee. Do about 10 of those. Now the next exercise challenges your body a bit more. They're the squats. You're going to stand up, squat down, touch your butt to your chair or couch, come back up. Butt to chair or couch, and back up. This strengthens the knee joint and stabilizes the whole knee all the way up to the hip chain. And by doing this, you're going to reduce the chance of discomfort because the muscles are now stabilizing the whole knee. The last exercise you can perform is more of a balanced weight shift confidence exercise. So that's when you stand up and notice I'm shifting my weight side to side, shifting to one hip, back to another. And by doing that, I'm giving myself confidence, I'm giving my knee confidence to be able to support my weight in different planes of motion. Because our body is three-dimensional, we need to be able to support ourselves through the side to side, as well as the forward and even rotational motion. Now, once you've performed this, we want to test the sit to stand again. You want to get into a proper posture, and again, scoot forward, feet shoulder width apart, and you want to bring your nose over your toes and stand up with equal weight on each side. Sit back down. Now, after doing those exercises, did you notice improvement? Perform these for a full week and see the gradual improvement occur. Now, if stairs are what's causing the pain, stay tuned because we're going over that in the next video. And if you'd like my free knee pain reset video, please see the link in the description below.